Hello.
Ms. Densmore?
Yes.
And is Mr. Lewis still there as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so counsel, how do you wish to proceed today?
Your Honor, I've spoken with my client as the petition that I've had and we reviewed. We're willing to waive a reading, waive probable cause, and enter a plea to the petition provision for the court state jurisdiction to get going on reunification efforts. Thank you.
And Ms. McCluskey?
Your Honor, likewise, waiving reading probable cause, we would ask that the matter be set for a trial, but even if the court has time next week, we wouldn't need much time. And then I did disclose to my client that I'm aware the younger two children are placed with one of my very best friends for many years. I let him know I did not think that would be a conflict for me in my representation, and I would ask that family doesn't discuss their placement of the children with me. And he did state that he did not think that was a conflict as well. I would just like him to confirm that on the record.
Can you confirm that, Mr. Lewis?
Yes, I can. That's fine.
Okay. Mr. Kelly, did you want me to go ahead with a plea today for your client, or do you want me to put that off a week?
Your Honor, we're prepared. I mean, I have the petition before me that I was provided by your clerk it was a while ago.
Your Honor, I want to make sure we're all talking about the same petition because I know Ms. Peters filed and amended yesterday. I never got a scanned copy back from the clerk's office to pass to everyone. I don't know which one the court is looking at.
I have the amended petition.
I was never presented.
All right. Well,
I
let's
wasn't
do
given
this.
one, Your Honor.
Let's do this. I'm going to make sure you get a copy of this petition. Let's put the whole thing over a week. And hopefully I can take a plea from both parents next Tuesday.
That would be
Thank you, Your Honor. I apologize for that.
No problem. We'll set it as a pretrial, but with the understanding that I hopefully will be able to take a plea. If not, we'll conduct a pretrial.
4/27 at 8:30.
Thank you, Judge.
April 27th at 8:30.
Thank you.
What's the recommendation for parenting time pending our next hearing?
Yes, Your Honor. Well, with the new petition being a request for a permanent petition, I am asking to suspend. However, if the court does allow parenting time, I discussed with the foster care worker. Historically, I know they were with family. The families did supervised visits, and just for the beginning, if the court does allow visits in the beginning of those visitations, we are asking that it's at the agency, and then the agency will have discretion to then voice a designee for in the future.
All right, I'm going to order visits supervised by the agency or its designee. And then we'll be.
Your Honor, can we, the designee is family right now. Can we make it clear? They've already had visits, I understand, with this family. These children are very young. The parents need as much time with them as possible. Thank you.
I don't see any reason why visits couldn't continue to be by the designee, but I will leave that up to the agency if there's something they want to observe. But I'm going to give that discretion. We'll be back in a week anyway, so.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Thank you all. We'll see you next week.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.